we're gathering together today to really celebrate the legacy of Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King and reflect on his vision of a beloved community.
I've had the privilege of being a part of the MLK Club at Flett for 2 years.
We've come a long way from where it all began.
It is imperative that we form a school community that promotes peace, love, individuality, and acceptance.
This year, our students are writing unique speeches to honor Dr. Martin Luther King's legacy of a beloved community.
Together, we can create a community that stands strong for justice.
You really get a chance to learn and see and realize the diversity of the community around you and everyone's different perspectives.
We talked about who we are, our personalities, where we come from, our culture, to have an idea of why a beloved community should be unique for each individual and a place where everybody feels like they belong.
I learned a lot about the civil rights movement and how important it was. It really showed me how important this was and how incredible it is that all these people came together and were able to make a change. It's really cool that I'm going to be able to help with that now and help shape our future and get us even closer to that dream of a beloved community.